Hi everyone, it's Miss Ruiz. So I have made a slideshow for you guys that's going to help you with today's activity or with the lesson's activity, okay? So the title of our slideshow is called How to Use Nearpod. So you may be thinking, well, what is Nearpod? I've never even heard of that. Well, Nearpod is a slideshow, but it's not like your normal slideshows that we're used to doing in class. So Nearpod is a slideshow that is very interactive. So you get to do a lot of the learning and you get to use a lot of the activities. I have placed many activities throughout the slideshow that you will be able to complete and have fun with. Now, this is a little different because, of our online learning, everything is so different now, right? So here is our Nearpod, and this slideshow is going to be showing you how to access Nearpod so you are able to look at our slideshow completely, right? Because you've never even used Nearpod. So let's get started with how to connect with Nearpod. So I have pictures right here for you to look at as an example, but I'm also going to be going back and forth from the slideshow and the actual website so you get familiar with how to use it, okay? So connect with Nearpod. Our first step is going to be to go to nearpod.com. Now, once you get to nearpod.com, it's going to look like the picture I've placed here, but I'm actually going to go to the actual website as well. So here is the actual website, nearpod.com. So keep students engaged and learning wherever they are. So here is the home page, and our second step is to actually go to Student Join a Lesson. This is where you are going to enter a code, and I have provided that code for you, so don't you worry. So let's go back to our slideshow and see what our code is. So our code is capital UMGTB. So we're going to go ahead and insert this code, UMGTB, and we're going to click the arrow to enter. And then we are going to reach the screen once it loads. Okay, so this is the screen you're going to reach once it loads. So I have already provided my name, but this is going to look blank to you. So this is how it'll look to you. It'll just say name. So I'm going to type my name. And when you fill in your name, please put in your first and last name of what you go by in class. I need to make sure that I know who is participating because I want to make sure everyone is participating in this slideshow. So no new nicknames that I'm not used to. Make sure you put the name you go by in class. So we're going to put our name and then we're going to put join session. And voila, you are here in our goods and services slideshow. So you will go through this slideshow, read all the content that's on there, but you will also be interacting with activities that I have provided within the slideshow. It's so much fun. I'm very excited for you guys to use it. So here was the second part. I have it all labeled here for you, okay? So again, make sure you are participating and using your real first and last name that I'm normally used to you using. So now you are all set to use Nearpod. Now you're set to go with our slideshow, and so you're set to go with our slideshow, correct? Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, email me just in case you get stuck, but you are always more than welcome to come back to this video to help you reference as to what you're supposed to do. Now, one last thing. So we can't forget our citation. So here's my copyright. So all these pictures I've used here, I've added my copyright right here so they go to the correct spot. All right, so thank you for watching, everybody. Remember, if you have questions, feel free to contact me. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.